Okay, we have our seasoned chicken strips. We have our plain flour, which I'm dipping in right now. You have your beaten egg to batter the chicken strips with. Now into the seasoned flour. Make sure you pack it on. Shake off the excess. Place on your wire rack. Keep repeating the process. I seasoned the chicken with Cajun seasoning, black pepper, salt, and lime juice. In the beaten egg, I put 2 pinches of salt, and in the seasoning flour, some Cajun seasoning, and 2 pinches of salt. Okay, here we're gonna test the oil to see if it's hot with the chopstick. Once you see the oil bubbling on the chopstick, you know that the oil is ready. Place your chicken in, and we're gonna let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes. At the halfway point, I'm flipping over the chicken. Make sure they're nice and golden brown. Okay, we're gonna remove it from the oil and put it onto a wire rack. Okay, before the second batch, we're gonna remove the flour from the oil. We don't want the oil to become burnt and ruin the quality of the oil. Put your second batch in. Same as before, we're gonna let this cook for 8 to 10 minutes. At the halfway point, we're gonna flip it. Look at that, nice and golden brown. I'm gonna tear these up. Plate these up with 2 dipping sauce, buffalo and barbecue sauce, and you got yourself a meal. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.